Turn on the IFP, click the menu icon, select PC. You can use Windows System. There are two ways to install Bytello Class application. The first way, open a browser on IFP, input bytello.com class directly. Click the download button. After the download is complete, double-click the file to install. When the installation is complete, you can quickly start an engaging lesson on IFP. The second way, you can also enter the URL on your PC and download it, save it to a USB flash disk, and then copy it to IFP for installation. Let's experience our application.